Welcome to another amazing video. Let's come to the point without wasting any time. So in this video we will learn how to use magic grab tool. For this you have to open Canva app or just go to Google Chrome and type canva.com. Open the first website. This is the environment. Here you can type YouTube thumbnail in the search area and then select the YouTube thumbnail size. Today we will use this tool like magic grab tool. So open blank YouTube thumbnail and here you will go to upload photos, or you can select from the Canva app. I am selecting this image. Set this image as background. So go to edit image and select magic grab. There are two options, brush and click. I am selecting click option. So the image portion is selected which you want to magic grab. So it may take a little bit of time. Click on grab. It's loading the part of the image which will animate. So now click on animate. Here are different options like breathe, drift, blur. You can select anyone. I am selecting breathe option here. So the image static part is now animated. By using this app, you can change the scale value to full. So here I'm using another page and with another example to make it more clear to you. So I am going to set this image as background. Click on edit image. Select magic grab tool again. Select click. The portion is selected. Now click on grab button. So that portion is grabbed. Now click on animate. And now you can select like drift, breathe, blur, wipe, pop, any option. I am again selecting breathe option and change the scale value to full. So I am playing this video for you. You can see the image is now animated. I am changing also the first page value, scale value to full. So this is the way you can change or animate your pictures. Now you can click on share and download the file that may be loaded in your gallery. So I'm going to play the video. In this way your images will be animated. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe Tech&CS department for more videos like this.